glass house. It's all fantastic. All this we have in the UK in abundance. Parklands, gardens, so much to see, so much to do. And you cannot do it even here. You need more than a day in here. Beautiful. I can't get over how peaceful it is in here. You hardly hear any birds, the occasional bird, the occasional sound of children. It's really good for the soul. People over there having a picnic, you're allowed to have picnics. No dogs are allowed in here unless they are support dogs, which is a good thing, because then you haven't got dogs running around, barking, pooing, what have you. Look at that. Peace. UK. The UK.
Sunshine for a change.
Yes, and we've got all this.
Yeah, beautiful.
Yes, peaceful. Good for the soul.
Yeah.
Look at the size of that tree, wow.
They do have different ones that you can go to.
You can't bring more.
Can't always get here free. Oh, that's actually free.
Wonderful. So beautiful. UK. July 2026.
Should be at the playground. We always go to the playground where the award was then.
Oh, you need to stop. Летучая собака. Ой, знаешь, что еще есть такие мультики, но они красивые.
Spectacular.
So yeah, I put down 11 apron. Anyone? Dungeons and Dragons. They're friends or friends? Yeah. Because you know, Steve says, oh yeah, with hindsight, I had to give him this a couple of times. Yeah. So we haven't yet. So someday when we have absolute picture finished, we might invite hosts around. Exactly, we'll invite we can invite the D&D players, have a barbecue. Better since we know Puck.